Let's pull this fan over and see what it does. Pull the fan! Pull the fan! Hey people, it is SkyOnTrack here. Welcome back for another part of welcome back for another part of Little Kitty Big City. In the last part, we were finding shinies around the city, and in this part, we are going to explore and do some other stuff and find some fish. Summer, I'm doing a video. What? My little subby Ray, she's being very needy right now. Are you baby girl? Okay, let's continue playing. And of course, Edgar has to bark at the cat again. Gosh dang it! We're all gonna hear barking for a little bit. Ah, this is cool. Finding shinies. Ah, hello there. Hey, shush. Ah, hello there. I wonder if you could provide some urgent assistance. I think it depends on the problem. Oh, I see. Quite right. I don't want to alarm anyone, yet it's rather a pressing concern. Although perhaps I'm just panicking, but there's no two ways about it. About what? Oh, didn't I say? I seem to have mislaid my ducklings. Aww. Mislaid? Is this a bird joke? I don't follow. Never mind. Missing ducklings sounds pretty serious. It does, doesn't it? What happened? Well, we were enjoying an educational tour of the neighborhood, me teaching the youngsters some local history. I don't know how to pronounce that. For example, you know the robot statue in the park behind us? I didn't even know there was a robot statue there. Oh, you should absolutely visit it. You see, the robot is quite fascinating, not a statue in the traditional sense either. Legend has it that a wise duck, not too dissimilar from myself in fact, would visit this park every day with robot friends. Very loyal robots. Delightful. Back then, this was a lake. Hulking great wet thing where the pair would swim, splashing and frolicking. But you know, the sort of thing. But robots and water. Eh? All that fizzing and sputtering, not simpatico at all. Rust, patches, wet circuity, exploding knees. The robot, not the dog, I mean. The robot's swimming days were over. Terribly sad stuff. So we asked the duck to change his programming. Quite the feat if you ask me. Could never get my head around computers myself. Duck helped program the robot to wait in the playground while the duck swam. Grand idea, and it went beautifully. But one fine day, probably much like this one, truth be told, the duck was attacked by a radioactive monster. Wait, a monster? Gecko! Usually Gecko is our protector. You know, breathing fire, saving orphans, charity galas. Lovely chop aparts from the rampages, really. Rampages? Oh yes, humans write those up in little paper documentaries. Very engaging, really. Paper documentary? You mean comics? So, Gecko kidnaps the duck and whoopsie-daisy, throws it through a star portal. Whoosh! Quack! Never to be seen again. And the thing we mistake for a statue in the playground is actually the loyal robot waiting patiently for his friend to return from his swim. Oh no, it's just a great story. I shared it with the ducklings before we split up to find more neighborhood stories for our little show and tell session. Show and tell? That sounds fun. Oh yes, I thought so. Anyways, we scampered off in different directions, all very exciting in the moment. But, and I suppose this is the crux of the matter. I didn't set a time or place for us to reconvene. Aha! Wasn't sure what to do for the best. Not really a practical duck, you see. But I didn't want us to be rushing around, missing one another. Dreadful when that happens. So I retraced my steps back here and waited. No luck? No. But you seem like a practical sort of cat. Very resourceful. So, could we team up? I'll keep watch here. Been kind of enjoying it, really. And you scout the city? The whole city? It seems pretty big. You're right. There must be a way for us to narrow down our search. Erica! We made a city map just last week. Marvelous thing. Part of our project to catalog all the different fish hotspots in the city. The ducklings marked each of their favorite places on it too. Such enthusiasm for maps, and I bet that's where they will have gone. Here, you take it. My orienting skills are dreadful, but you'll be able to track them down in no time. Hey, we got a map! A map made by the ducklings. It's really good. Press up to view the map. Just ignore the fish markers. Can't see what interest they would be to a kitty. Unless you're abutting of course, I don't know how to pronounce that. Alright, so then we gotta go find ducklings. We're gonna go find some ducklings. So, let's take a look at this map, shall we? Alright, so there's a fish right here and a duck right here, so we're gonna go there. First, you gotta see. Okay, we're going the right way. Alrighty. Take a look. Now we gotta go this way? No. Yep, we gotta go this way. Alrighty. We'll find these ducklings. We will. And there's another fish here somewhere. Here, we'll climb up for this. Okay. Oh, I'm out of energy. I fell. Okay, well, we can't really get up there. But we're gonna try to find the ducklings. Okay, so I need to go down this way. Hold on. Is this even the right way? No. You gotta go down this way. This way is where we need to go. To find the first duckling. Alright. They're not all the way up there, are they? Ah! Watch out! Okay. There's a box over here. Okay, we are going a little too far where we're supposed to be going. Okay, so the first duck is this way. Okay. I gotta make sure. Sorry, I'm just trying to see if I'm going the right way or not. Okay, so this way. The duck is this way. Is it in the grocery store? Hold on, let's go in. Hey, we're in the store. Hey! Ow! We found the one. Look at me! I have a pond all to myself. Are you sure it's a pond? I'm a duck. We know about ponds. My apologies. I think it might be time to get out of the pond, though. Your dad sent me to collect you for show and tell. But there's still water to play in. Ugh, how can you stand it? Water? It's so cold and wet. Yuck! should have seen this coming. There must be a way to get this little one out of the water without getting wet. So now we gotta find out how to get them out of there. Okay, so how do we? Hey, there's a fan over here. Hold on, let's pull this fan over and see what it does. Pull the fan! Pull the fan! I know how this works.
That was such a cool solution, Kitty.
Thank you. I hope you're not too disappointed to be on dry land again. Nah, I was starting to get a tiny bit tired from a big bit of hungry anyway. Oh, maybe Dad would have snacks. You can ask him at a show and tell. I'd forgotten show and tell. That would be the perfect place to tell everyone about all the swimming I did. Let's go, Kitty. All right, so we got one. Ah! Okay, well. Oh, the little duck. Okay, so there's the first duck. The next one is this way. Come on, let's go. Bro, it's a duck! Hey, Esther! Man, I gotta find a way to contain her so that way she doesn't end up barking. Okay. Oh. We passed. Oh. Okay. So we're here where the second duck is. Esther. Ah. Oh, sorry. Hold on. What's over here? Hey, they got shiny, but they ran away. Oh. Hi. Okay, chill. Oops. They got mad at me. Okay, well, it says the second duck's right over here. But where, though? Okay. Come on, ducky. Where are ya? Where are you, ducky? Where's the other duck? The other duck is like over here somewhere. Hold on, we're gonna have to look around for just a minute. Where is the second duck? That's the gecko that was probably mentioned. Unless the duck is over here, like over here. Come here, buddy. Hold on. I think we might be at the right spot. Oh my gosh, what is the cat doing over here? Hi, your human seems to be broken. Is everything okay? Not really. You see, my sister Ramon is blown away. That sounds serious. Actually, that part is pretty normal. She loves to fly outside, and she always comes back with a lot of stories about the neighborhood. Today seemed extra staged. There are no cars on the street because the humans need to fix the leaky pipes. That explains why the roads are so clear and so wet. Yuck. But the yuck is not the problem. Ramon announcing she was off to battle a cat is the problem. Uh-oh, indeed. She watched the Gecko vs. Boss Cat movie marathon last week and has been talking about battling a cat ever since. I thought she wanted a play fight, so I said I'd be Boss Cat if she wanted to be Gecko. But apparently she wants to fight a real cat. Wait, so you're not a real cat? Not to her. I'm just the big brother who lets her win when she wants to play Gecko. She said she needed a real challenge with a real cat. I was about to go look for her, but her human noticed the empty birdcage and, well, she fainted. My sister and my human both need me. How do I choose? You don't need to. I'm exploring the area anyway, so I can keep an eye out for Ramon. Really? That would be so kind of you. It's no bother. Just tell me what she looks like. You know, those blue birds you see on the street? She's like that, but bright yellow, very fast and very feisty. What do I do when I find her? Good question. Let me think. Wait, that's it. The perfect plan. Ramon doesn't know you, so she would think you're a real cat. I am a real cat, and if you catch her and let her get away, it'll be like she defeated Boss Cat for real. She'll be so happy. I've never been the boss before. This is your chance to shine. Just follow Ramon's lead. She likes to fly along the street right outside the store. Great, I'll get Ramon home in no time. Gecko does not stand a chance against Boss Cat. Thank you, Boss Cat. Okay. We still gotta go find the ducklings. Okay. So where's the other... Hey! Stop barking at the cat! Okay. So I don't know where the other duckling is. It says he's right here. Unless there's like water nearby. Nah, we'll find this one later. I'll probably try to go off screen for it. So this one we need to go. Okay, we need to turn around a little bit more. Okay, this is the way. For the next duckling. There he is.
Look, look, look!
What are we looking at?
Only one of the greatest games of all time.
Are you old enough to be watching this?
My dad says I have an old soul.
Speaking of your dad, he asked me to come and collect you for show and tell. Sure. That was easy. There must be a catch. I'll go as soon as the screen stops showing things. And there it is. When will that be?
No idea. I think it's looping, so it might never end.
I see. But if the screen goes dark, do you promise you come back to your dad? Ducklings honor. Okay, so we are gonna have to. Hold on. Trying to see if I can. Okay, so we gotta turn off the screens somehow. I'm trying to figure this out. Hold on, we're gonna try to figure this out. Okay, I'm good. Okay, so hold on. Okay, there's a shiny right here. So how do we do this? So we gotta do something. Let's take a look around here and see what we can do. Let's see. Maybe there's something up here. Wait, huh? Okay. Look. Oh, we pulled this. Hey, we got it to turn off. Okay. sliding around like that? Definitely not.
Oh,
When I blink, I can see purple shapes. I think sometime away from that screen is a very good idea. Shall we get back to you and your dad?
okay. I can tell him all about the new combos I saw.
And Bill Sundew, let's waddle. Okay, so we got that one. But then there's that. But there's that one duck that we are missing out on. Okay. So now we need to get across. So now we need to go over here to this next one. All right, let's get going. But first I need to know which way I'm going. Okay, this way. Let's get going. Ow! I just ran into something. Okay. So right here is a playground. Okay. Oh crud, there's a dog right there. Okay, so go this way. Oh, we went too far to where we're supposed to go. Steal the fisherman's fish. Okay. I'm trying to figure this out. Okay, I am getting confused here. Hold on.
Excuse me, lady. Excuse me.
Okay, so this way. Go this way. Oh, crud. I think we're gonna have to like. Hey, look, a capsule. Let's see what we get. Oh, it's a mushroom hat. Ooh, it's the perfect hat for traveling because it won't take up mushroom. Okay, that's cool. Okay, I think we're gonna have to go back. Hey, there's a jar up there. Okay, so we're gonna have to go back to the ivy spot. Right over here. Okay. The ducks are gonna have to stay over there. Okay, so... How did they get over? What? That's weird. What kind of game logic is this? Okay. Okay, so we're close to the next one. Okay, so there must be over here where Mayor is. Here, little ducky, where are you? Okay, where is the duck at? Where is the duck? Hold on. Where is the duck? Where is the ducky? Okay, so he's over here. Over here. in there. So how do I get in there? Hold on. Hold on, we need to figure out how to get in there. Okay, we need to find our way in there somehow. How do I get in there? I believe there should be another way how to get in there into that laundromat. Okay. Ow! Is there... Do we have to go find a way of how to open the laundromat or something? I don't know. Ow. Okay. Okay. Come on, there's gotta be a way in there. Okay. Okay, hold on. I don't know how to get in there. I might need to go figure this out off screen. Okay. Okay. Well, I don't know how to get in there. How do I get in there? Is this where the duck is? Yeah, it's where he is. But I don't know how to get in there. Well, I think we're gonna have to end it off here, but we'll find more ducks in the next part. Okay, people. Thank y'all for watching another beautiful video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe for more of my content, such as Roblox and console games. Hope you have an amazing day or night, depending on where you live, and I will see people later.